Yay, I finally found them. This is the buzz of the internet, which is the queso birria with the consomme right here. Oh my God, when I say this looks so good, not only I snuck one taco out, if you can see right here, the missing taco spot, but I couldn't help it. It was so good. Now, this chef created this. And when I say she just went way beyond, the taste is fabulous. This is from Ruthie B's Soul Food Kitchen, and it is so, so delicious. The tacos here are nice and crispy. I have the chicken one. Now the birrias are normally like the goat or some type of beef or something like that, if you're really getting truly authentic with it. But this birria is definitely an exquisite one, as the definition says for. But the shells are crispy, the cheese, and she has a lot of meat and a lot of cheese in here. And just look at the texture of it, so good. And the consomme, the birria, you dip that flavor in there. Oh my God, look at that, the cilantro in there and the onions and everything. And of course you got, it's just so good. Yeah, I want to dive in there, eat that, and just look at that texture. And it's just so good. When I tell you that this is delicious, and if you haven't tried it, you definitely got to try it. Once again, this is from Ruthie B's Soul Food Kitchen. You could check out her page and talk to the chef about, what inspired her to do this creation. This is kind of like a common street food, and with different Latino communities and things like that. But hey, I needed to try it because it was so delicious and so good. So check it out and get you one of these, the QuesaBirria Tacos. Crispy on the outside, cheesy on the inside, filled with your different textures of meat, like chicken, maybe pork or beef, or whatever that they do have that fits your taste buds. And if you want a little extra spicy to it, you can get your favorite hot sauces that you want to put on it, or some more jalapeno, or whatever your taste buds say that they want. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos, and I'll keep you updated on all the latest things that I find out that are good and that you need to try. Take care.